Per episode fees of Khatro Ke Khiladi contestants. The much awaited 10th season of the famous show Khatro Ke Khiladi has already started. Host of the show is famous movie director Rohit Shetty. The show has started with 10 contestants. Karan Patel. Famous TV actor Karan Patel has decided to be a part of this show on the 10th season. This famous actor is charging around 5 to 6 lakhs per episode. He is the highest paid contestant of this famous adventure-based reality show. Dharmesh Yelande. Dharmesh, popularly known as D, is a dancer choreographer who is also a judge of the dance show Dance Plus. It is reported that Dharmesh is charging a whopping amount of 5 lakhs per episode of Khatro Ke Khiladi. Karishma Tanna. Karishma is a very popular face in Indian television and she has done many serials and reality shows. For this reality show, Karishma is charging a whopping amount of 3 lakhs per episode. Ada Khan. Popular television actress Ada Khan is also a part of the adventure reality show Khatro Ke Khiladi 10. Ada Khan is charging a hefty amount of 2 to 3 lakhs per episode of Khatro Ke Khiladi. Shivin Narang. Ek Veer Ki Ardas Veera famed actor Shivin is also a part of the 10th season of Khatro Ke Khiladi. This talented handsome actor of Indian television is charging around 2 lakhs per episode of the show. Tejasvi Prakash. Tejasvi is a very famous actress of Indian television and she has done many TV serials till date. This bubbly young actress is charging a hefty amount of 2 lakhs per episode of this show. Amruta Khanvilkar. Amruta is a very popular face of Indian television. She is mainly famous because of her Marathi works. She is a great dancer too. It is reported that this actress is getting paid around 1.5 lakhs per episode of this reality show. Balraj Sial. Balraj Sial is a very popular comedian of Indian television. Currently, his another reality show Mujhse Shaadi Karoge is also being aired on Colors TV. According to reports, Balraj is charging a whopping amount of 1 lakh per episode. Rani Chatterjee. Rani is an Indian TV actress. She is popular for her Bhojpuri films too. She did movies like Sita, Rani No. 786 and many more. Rani is charging a hefty amount of 1 lakh per episode for the Khatro Ke Khiladi. RJ Malishka. India's one of the most popular radio jockey, Malishka is also a contestant of the 10th season of this adventure reality show. As per the reports, Malika is charging around 90,000 per episode of Khatro Ke Khiladi. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.